So I'm out here rockhounding in North Carolina. Y'all know that I lived in New Mexico for a few years, and it was a lot easier to go rock collecting and rockhounding out there because literally there's all sorts of good stuff on the surface. Well, I'm over here at this little creek. Let me show you guys. See? Lots of rocks all over the place. So I was like, what the heck, let's do some rockhounding. And it is a lot tougher to rockhound out here compared to, New Mexico. Hey, Pepper, what are you doing? Come on. Pepper is already bored of rockhounding. She's eating grass. Okay. But yeah, I've been here for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Haven't really found very much. Granted, I bought a book and I still haven't completed reading that book. I've read a couple of pages. I know North Carolina is good for garnets, citrine, beryl or emeralds, and rubies and amethyst. Well, I don't think I'm gonna find any amethyst or emeralds right here at a creek because I think this is atypical of where you would normally find them. But even still, I thought, well, maybe I'll just go digging or surface collecting and find maybe some garnets or some citrine. I've had to start digging, y'all. I mean, this is pretty much my tiny little bag of stuff I've found. And basically, I don't even know if it's good. I think I've found a couple of garnets. Let me go ahead and grab these. Yeah, actually, I don't even know. That's the other thing. I don't know quite yet what I've found. I think these are garnets. I'm not really sure. If there is a rockhound that watches these videos, let me know. This one's really interesting because it's a deep, deep red. Ew, my nails. Sorry. Ugh. That's what happens when you dig in the dirt. So, yeah, this one's a deep red. It might be a ruby. I'm not sure. I don't really know how rubies cleave, when they fall off of stuff and end up in a river or creek. But I'll hold on to them. Pretty sure these are some garnets. I really like the colors on them, so they're going in this little bag. But I've been doing this for about an hour and a half. Most of this I think is just some smoky quartz, though it does have some nice shades to it. See? That's pretty nice. And the camera's not showing it, but it's got a nice slightly blue hue to it. So, yeah. But the point is, what would have normally, in the Southwest been just hunting this surface for agates or petrified wood or whatever, has now resulted in me digging. And thank goodness, because I have my cute little foldable shovel. I got this on Amazon. Honestly, it's a knockoff of a Rothko shovel, which I think ranges anywhere from $9.99 to $20 depending on the day on Amazon. But I got this one for like $6.99. It's essentially the same. The only thing is, it doesn't have like the Rothko label on it, which I guess adds $10 to it. But it works exactly the same. I used to have a Rothko folding shovel, and it fell out of one of my old backpacks. So now I have this one. But yeah, I've been, just digging at some stuff. Oh, that's another thing about Carolina. North Carolina, lots and lots of mica, so yeah. But I'll keep digging. I just don't think I'm gonna find very much, or I really need to buy more than just one book and get familiar with the geology of North Carolina, because I know there's beautiful stuff out here, just don't know where to look at all, because yeah. Now, there's a few things in here, I don't know what they are. Like, this has a very interesting texture to it. Kind of reminds me of some of the jaspers I would find in New Mexico, but it's actually slightly translucent. The sun just hid behind the clouds, so I can't really show you guys, but it's barely translucent. It's more of a smoky gray color. It's a deeper smoky than the other colors. When I get home, I'm going to try to wash it real good and then shine a UV light on it because, hey, who knows what it might be. And then there's some red citrine or maybe some calcite. The thing is, there's a lot of stuff out here that looks like calcite, but I don't know if calcite is, you know, native to this area. I mean, you know, that's pretty calcite looking to me. See? I have no idea what is on my hand. Is that mud? I don't know. But yeah, lots of, you know, fractured quartz or silica type crystals, but who knows what they really are. If anything, if I finish doing my readings and research, you know, which is kind of hard to do because I don't have great internet out here, and I find that there's not a lot of worthwhile stuff, at least where I live in North Carolina, at least I can still do like some little craft projects. One of the cool things I've noticed is there's a lot of super tiny, super tiny little, what I think citrine crystals. So I could always wash these off and do cute things like fill them up or fill up a little clear pretty jar with them, and you know, that'll look nice. The other thing I could do is, let's see, where is it at? Oh yeah, see there's some of these little red ones too. I don't know, but there's also some nice smoky ones. Let's see if I can try to grab some of these. But yeah, they all look like these little daggers. They cleave or cut at a very sharp angle, a lot of them. And, sorry, God, I'm still trying to get over my cold. When you rub all the dirt off of them, they're relatively shiny. There we go. See that? And I'm assuming these are just like smoky quartz. So, if anything, I can always come down here, you know, when I'm not doing anything and collect these and put them in a little jar or something. Make little wish jars. So yeah, but that's pretty much what I'm dealing with as far as rock hounding out here. It bugs me that, you know, I don't think I've found very much. Still looking for a rock group out here. So if anybody knows of a rock hounding or rock collecting group in Western North Carolina, let me know, because I'm at a loss at what I'm looking at out here. I mean, is any of this, am I just like, you know, oh, I have no idea, and I'm actually throwing away something nice? Who knows? So, I'll keep looking. I think I have a good eye for garnet so far, or a slightly trained eye for garnet so far. If you have any examples of what to look for, send me a link, drop me a link in the comments. I want to know as far as what raw gemstones and minerals are supposed to look like out here in North Carolina. I'd love to learn. So, what is this? That looks interesting. Huh. Oh well. Well, anyway guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this little shovel, I'll put a little link in the comments. I like it because here's the cool thing. I can fold it up, put it in here, and it fits. Pepper, are you still staring at me? It fits in my backpack, which is behind me someplace. Oh, here we go. So it fits right there, and I still have room for my little Pepsi bottle. Yeah, not bad, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably pack it up, call it a day. Yeah, see, I'm technically under a bridge by a creek, but I'll probably pack it up, call it a day, take her little cranky butt home, and keep reading, keep learning about rock hounding out here, because I love rock collecting. I know it's a nerdy thing, but I do. But I want to find cool stuff. It's my new treasure hunting hobby, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have a different hobby I could get into while I'm living out here in Western North Carolina, suggest it. Say bye, Pepper. Bye.